The fun thing that I get to experience here at astronomy section of TDM Magnified Science Center is that kids love to be here.
Yes, I've seen about Pluto, and I always considered that it is not a planet, but it is, and it's amazing to know.
These exhibits regarding stars, planets are just enjoyable and a learning experience.
We saw like the daily routine of like a space like an astronaut's day basically.
Especially from the parent side, this particular exhibit, which has documentaries for the kids regarding space in collaboration with Kainat Studios. So this is the best thing that, according to parents, that kids have, because besides from learning, this is fun and learning as well.
I like the gravity well because it's a more hands-on experience and it's also mixing physics and space.
सबसे कूल चीज वो थी जो एक पूरी यूनिवर्स एक बलून में थी, वो बहुत सी इंटरेस्टिंग चीज थी.
Yes, I've learned quite about constellations, the northern constellation over there, and I saw the gravity table